What is going on, lawn crew? It's Aaron with Lansing Lawn Service. Today I am doing the first cleanup of 2019. So let's get at it. Thank you for watching this video today. Please hit that subscribe button and join the lawn crew. Also, make sure that you show that like button some love. Be sure to check out our lawn care wear shop on Teespring. The link is in the description below. You guys are going to love the shirts there. If you enjoy this video, please leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Okay guys, we are here at the site, and so we're going to do a little before and after here. Alright, so we're going to clean all this up. Really what we're going to do is we are just going to mulch all this stuff up with the mower really fine, just like we do with a fall cleanup. And we're going to just get it looking really nice for them. I think in the back we're going to do some trimming as well, so it looks like it didn't get trimmed last year. In the fall we're going to blow all this stuff out here. Just going to get it all nice and cleaned up for them. We're going to continue around the back. It's a very big backyard for a city lot, but we're going to get it all blown out here. We're going to clean all this up. There's leaves and things on the patio and the back deck. We're going to get that all blown out and mulched up as well. The grass back here is a little longer, so we've already been around and picked up all the sticks, so we're going to blow all this out. Of course, we're going to leave the wood. We're going to blow that all out into the middle of the yard. We're going to blow this stuff out. As you can see, it needs a good trim. I did bring the trimmer along, so I think I'm going to trim some of this stuff up. Just get it looking nice for them, and get it where it needs to be for the spring. Over here, same thing. Gonna blow all that out along the fence line. Gonna try to clean up some of the old prickers and things like that there. We're gonna clean it up. It goes all the way back there to that big tree right in the middle there. So we're gonna get this thing cleaned up for them. The backyard does have a lot of holes and ruts and things, so it's going to be a little time consuming with the mower, but that's okay. I don't mind. We're going to get this thing cleaned up, looking good, and then we're going to get out of here. Let's go! Okay guys, we've got it all finished up here. Took about 2 hours or so. Not too bad. So, it's looking pretty clean. Got everything blown out and cleaned up. Now we do mulch the leaves, as I said. We don't bag. But it looks good. Backyard is cleaned up, even striped a little bit. Patio's all clean. Looks good. Alright guys, let's get out of here. Alright guys, I am back home. I wanted to film more. Unfortunately, it was just the homeowner at that cleanup was home, and I just didn't feel comfortable. I had permission to film. I filmed a little bit. It was an easy cleanup, you know, just use the mower, mulch stuff up. It wasn't bad. Then I ended up doing another cleanup that got referred to me, so that one took a little bit of time. He was also home. I didn't ask his permission. It was just a, you know, blow the leaves to the back 40 type thing. So anyway, I thought I'd end the video with just a really quick 2019 lawn care setup video. Very, very quick, in fact. Just a quick overview. I am keeping the Raptor SD 42-inch deck. That is on the trailer this year. Just to get in backyards. It gets used maybe 3 times a year, or 3 times a week. The Toro Multiforce. I am strongly considering selling this mower, not because it's not a good mower, but because the warranty is up. I had it for 3 years now, and I just don't use it to its full potential, and so I don't need the Multiforce thing, you know, I don't need that. So I'm considering selling that and getting a Gravely Pro Stance. There's a dealer right near me that just took on Gravely. They're a good dealer. I bought my snowplow through them. So I'm strongly considering switching brands simply because of dealer support. They offer loaner mowers and things like that if I'm down for more than 24 hours. So that is a huge plus. My dealer right now does not offer any kind of demos or anything. So it's a big reason to sell this one and switch. And then on to, I've got the old Toro Time Master. It's being held together right now by a pair of vice grips, but still works. Great condition. Started up like a champ. And then I've got the 225 pass system with the edger attachment. I've got the 266 trimmer, and then I've got the EXPO Pass 2, the EXPO 2620 pass system with the hedge trimmer attachment. The steel HS45, that's still here. I know I've been saying I'm going to sell that. I will be selling it soon. Then I've got the EXPO HG2420 hedge trimmer. That thing is a beast. I can't wait to use it. I've got the PB770T, and back there on the wall I've got the 580T, and we are good to go. Alright guys, that's just a quick overview of the 2019 lawn care setup. I will do an in-depth one later on, but I have got to go. My son's got to play tonight at school, so I've got to get showered up and get ready to go. We will see you in the next one. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, and we will get back to you soon.